Got a good day coming, and it's all I need.
AI, innovation and connection. Welcome to the Innovation Days 2025. Almost 600 people that are joining in today.
This day is very important for us because today we are showcasing to CAPGEMINI colleagues and friends and family what we are so passionate about, and that is technology and innovation.
You all know that AI has been with us for decades, right?
CAPGEMINI is the most amazing employer because it brings technology and humans together. We try to really make technology enable us to do something which we couldn't do before.
Today was very inspirational. I learned a lot, talked to a lot of partners, and I'm already looking forward to next year.